Sige, tulak mo.
Nilakan ata ako.
Kasi
Bibidyo ko eh.
Anak ko.
Hi guys, hi babes, hi people of the world. This is Jessica Albana. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's been 1 month and 3 years, I think. No, I'm just joking. It's just 1 month and something. So I'm so excited to show you this new look I've created. This is like a pizza rip-off skin thing. Yeah. Whatever it is, if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. So first of all, we're gonna do my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna use my favorite palette. If you watch my previous video, this is my most used one. So yes, I Heart Makeup Chocolate Orange from Revolution. So I think this is just $15. It's where is it? Look at that. Right in here. Camera's here, dude. Here. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. And this one. Yep. Super pigmented. Nudie pink, I think. First, just pat it up. And now we're gonna use the windshield motion technique. Clean brush. This is the Morphe 562, just like this, and blend it. Moving on, Steel in number 006. It's an eyeshadow blender brush. And guess right here, it's a little bit darker than our second shade. Maroonish, reddish cherry. Yeah, it looks like cherry red, but a bit darker. And windshield, very end, windshield. Guys, just a sneak peek thing. I might join 2019 NYX Awards, so please support me. And yeah, I might need your help. Share, vote, especially vote if ever. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you like my sneak peek. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this on my entry, but yeah, I'm gonna do it fast. Oh no, zoom out for a second. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and yeah, so I don't want to show it to you guys.
Oh my god!
So what you saw is all made out of polymer or Elimor, because I bought it from Elimac, and liquid latex I bought from Jordan, and flour, glue I saw for real. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna show it to you guys soon. Okay, going back to my eyes. So last thing is this brown, like reddish brown, Matic number 13 here. So the pink is a stain from the Morphe 35B. This is the edge to remove the harsh line. And I'm gonna do the cut crease. So first, put a little bit in the middle, then open your eyes, and that is where your cut crease will start. Oh god. 4. A big concealer brush. So this is why I said this is a big one, because where is it? Okay, I'm just gonna use the one I used earlier. This is the regular size for concealer brush, and this is the big one. For an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna try maybe a blending brush to buff it. Okay, I'm gonna use this Laxi 249. It's like this. It's cute. It's not focusing, so dude in here. Don't use a concealer brush. I don't know why I tried that. Well, I'm back from being disconnected. I mean, like my video stopped while I'm in the middle of
on my eyes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna explain what I did on my eyes. So on the very like edge, like this edge, I used this, that one, this one, that is brown, this palette. And to sharpen the difference between the top piece and the outer part, I used this brush, Morphe Import 31, and use this red one, it's like cherry red, the one I used earlier, and sharpen the edges. And for the ingredients that I had, I used this orange, and this one, and like put it on the very end, and like blend it, and I used the yellow glitter from Morphe and beautify. Wait, yeah, this one, and using my finger, I just pat it on the inner corner.
So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty and my Real Technique spatch. I don't want to show it because it looks so messy. Okay, I'll show it. Ta-da! Next. And yeah. The next professional, not sponsored by any brand. Next, Ushash liner, cosmetic pencil in peach. I got it from the dollar store. Sketch out what I'm gonna do today. Here it goes. And body art effects, like cheek effects in yellow. Spray it with water. I mean, these are doing like the edges. The yellow, I mean the pepperoni. So I know where I'm going to prevent stuff. I'm gonna use a Mehron Paradise makeup in peach berry. A bit water, and this time I'm gonna use this number 2 brush from Michael. Next is a Mehron Paradise paint again in black. Yeah, but like the writing is scanned, so I'm just gonna show it to you. It's so hard to face paint when your hand is like this. Like this. Like I can't make my lines sharp. So I did the outline behind the camera because my hands are shaking. So I'm also blind, not totally blind, but like I had one nearsighted and astigmatism, so like I cannot see clear. So I did like this. So it doesn't make sense if I show it to you guys and all you see is this palette, right? This Makeup Forever Black Artist eyeshadow. It will look like a shadow from above. So I did the same thing on the other side. I don't know if you can see it already. It has like this deep look, like it's deeper than my skin. So yeah, do like a wrinkle. Not coloring, so I'm gonna use my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. So I'm done with the shadowing, so it will look like it's pulling downwards. I want to make it red so it will match my look for today. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my looks. And this is Jessica, ang inyong pintor, signing off.